At Mazzella Companies, we provide great lifting solutions, offering all styles of slings, overhead cranes, hoist, and engineered lifting devices. Since our founding in 1954, the Mazzella brand has been uncompromising. Our purpose is to instill confidence and comfort in every interaction. This means that we strive to provide reliable products and services, a highly responsive and knowledgeable team that supports our offerings and the training to help ensure compliance of OSHA and ASME standards. We are a leading manufacturer of world-class overhead cranes with more than 40 years of experience. We engineer and build custom solutions ranging from light-duty modular cranes to large-capacity process cranes with welded box girders. We have a comprehensive product array that effectively addresses all 6 crane classifications. We also have a crane service company that performs routine inspections, repairs, testing, installation, and modernizations. Our field personnel are experienced and certified to help you with your in-plant needs. We perform routine hoist and sling inspections along with providing repair services for slings, hoists, blocks, and retractables. We also perform hoist and sling testing in-house. Whether you need crane repair, OSHA compliance inspections, or training, we have the expertise to develop a program to help you succeed. The Mazzella name is synonymous with specialty slings and assemblies. From Mazzella's 7-part wire rope sling to one of the world's largest synthetic twin-path high-performance slings, we can manufacture the sling to meet your needs. Mazzella's quality slings include chain, wire rope, flat web, cordage, and high-performance synthetic slings. In the world of specially engineered lifting devices, Mazzella has earned the reputation as a leader in the design and development of custom engineered below-the-hook lifting devices and lifting attachments for use with all types of cranes. We have an engineering staff capable of 3D modeling. Mazzella's products range from common lift beams to high-capacity, custom engineered lifters. Mazzella also offers a full line of specialized products such as contractor supplies, fall protection, cargo netting, flight deck nets, custom tarps, and more. We also have a dedicated team of experts that provide replacement parts for cranes and hoists. Mazzella can assist you in creating a safer and more reliable workplace. We are a leader in crane and rigging training. Whether your operators require a specific training course for OSHA compliance, or if your company requires a complete assessment, Mazzella can assist you. Quality is the cornerstone of our success. Product quality and operating safety go hand in hand.